Okay, this is my part 2 of how to answer your TRB or Trading Record Book. If you are aspiring seafarer in the current position of deck cadet, para sa iyo ang video na to. Number 1. Topic, watchkeeping. Keep a proper lookout by day and night, report object correctly, and assess and determine if there is a risk of collision. Topic of watchkeeping, kailangan mo talagang akyatan yung bridge para masagutan yung mga given task dito. Once na may encounter mo na lahat ng task doon, pwede mo na lagyan ng date, then papirmahan mo na kay chief officer, third officer, o second officer kung kanino ka duty nung time na yon. Number 2 and 3, distress signal. For the topic of distress signal, you can go to second officer to assist him on his weekly and monthly inspection of GMDSS. Kunti-kunti mo nang masasagutan tong distress signal on your TRB. Entry number 3, anchoring and mooring procedure. This part, hindi ka nagaano mahirapan tapusin tong given task na to. Kasi yung disatraka, which is palagi nangyari sa barko yan, yung pagmumuring. And anchoring, bago naman dumikit sa puerto. Kaya from this part, hindi ka gaanong hirapan magpaperma kay Chief Officer. Question, sir, kailangan ba pare-parehas ng date sa isang topic? Bawa, topic niya for fighting, there's 6 tasks given lagay dito. Kailangan ba pare-parehas ng date? Hindi po. Kung kailan mo lang ma-encounter yung task number 1 and task number 2, dun mo lang ilalagay. Hindi siya pare-parehas. Possible pa rin naman na ilagay mo siya basta na-encounter mo siya in the whole day or within the day. Sir, araw-araw ka ba nagsasagot ng TRB? To answer this, hindi naman kailangan araw-araw. Kung kailan mo lang ma-encounter yung given task na yon sa training record book mo. So ayun lang, I hope this video will help you in your future endeavors of answering of your TRB training record book. If you have a question, free to comment, try natin sagutin.